Tomorrow will be better. We have this equation here on the board, and then we have find x. This is exactly how I received it. Like I always say, they could say make x the subject of the formula. What they're asking for here is let's isolate x and have it stand all alone on one side of the equation and then every other thing on the other side. So how can we get there? Follow me, dear friends. Solution. The first thing to do here is let us locate our x. Where is our x? Here it is. It is here with a +2, all of which is under a square root sign. Now at this point, there's really nothing else we can do with this square root sign here. And there's another +5 here, which we need to do away with. So the first thing is let us start getting rid of whatever is attached to x, starting with the easiest ones. In this case, the easiest thing to do away with here is this 5 here. How can we do away with it? By simply sending 5 to the other side. Taking into account that when +5 moves, it will become -5. So I will send 5 here. So to the left, I will be left with square root of x plus 2, which will be equal to the existing 8. And now when +5 goes, it becomes -5. Like I said, we cannot handle anything under the square root sign without taking away the square root sign. How do we take away the square root sign? By taking the opposite of the square root function, which is the square. And what we do here, we'd have to do on the other side too. Now, if this is well done, this will disappear like this. So to the left, I will have just x plus 2. And now to the right, what is 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 squared is 9. At this point, the only thing holding my x here is a certain +2, which can be dealt with so easily. How? By just sending it to the other side. Considering that when it moves, the sign is going to change. So I will have here at the end that x all alone on one side will be the 9, which was existing, and then -2. The right side will boil down to simply 7. And at the end of the day, x is nothing else but 7. Dear friends, we have successfully made x the subject of this formula, or we have successfully found the value of x. Tomorrow will be better.